What up, Doc?
Oh, hey, MurrTV! Welcome to my den! Hey, welcome to my home. I mean, it's not too big, but let's come and let me show you everything I have. This is just the hallway, you know, take your shoes off. Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it. Oh, this is my favorite poster. Boston Paradise. If you don't know where that's from, it's my favorite movie of all time. If you don't know, we can't be friends. Sorry about it. Let me take you over to the kitchen. Oh, wow, hey, yeah. This is my jam, wow. Nice, this is my jam. So, this right here, this is where all the magic happens. I love cooking, and I cook like almost every day. So, I got my knives, I got my spices. This is my setup. It's like my office here. Actually, no, sorry. This is my office here. This is where I do most of my work, yeah. This is a little laptop. This is where I get angry at League of Legends. So this is our cute little fridge panel. We like to spell out like cute things to each other, leave messages, you know. I have like these magnetic Scrabble tiles. I'm a big Scrabble enthusiast myself. I know all the 2-letter special word combinations. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, ki, shi, kwa, za. Anyways. That's the kitchen. We got a few British disappointments here, like good old laundry machine. Just wash his clothes. No dryer. No dishwasher. Just one appliance. Just one. Love you. Hey, so this is the entertainment room. This is here where all the magic happens. We usually film Dash and Maggie on this couch at the moment. Oh, hey, this is my Sappha friend, Kylan.
How's it?
Yeah, he's a good guy. He's just chilling here right now because he's a little depressed because his first fursuit commission got rejected. But we're having him over for the weekend. I love you, Kylan. Hey. Nice guy. Hey, look over here. This is our world poster. This is just where me and Dash have been collectively across the world. We're looking to add more pins here. Berlin, looking at you. I got some cute little figurines here, just something to complement things I like. Edna Mode, she's a darling. Darling, no cares, no cares. First suit crush, you know? Nanaki, otherwise you might know him as Red 13. Mwah. Cute. This is where I keep my 3rd place trophies. You know, 3rd place is a charm. Just chilling out with each other. Come, this is the patio. my little outdoor space here. This is the most spot I have to dance, the most room I have. I mostly just use the reflection of the door. This used to be a garden. There's grass here, but the landlord like said that. So he put gravel down, and I was like that. And so I tried to make it to a Zen garden best I could. It's cute. This is the old country, so you know we hang clothes out to dry. If you ever want to hang sometime. Right here. Okay, well let's go up the stairs now. Alright, this is the bathroom. This is where the magic happens. This is the shower where I produce all my famous shower thoughts. Slick. We like to use our own colognes. Dash has Tiger Black because obviously it has a tiger on it. I use Mont Blanc because it begins with Mon, like Mongoose. It's just a bathroom. This is where the magic happens. This is my cutie mushroom backpack. It's cute. Whoop, whoop, whoop. In here is where I keep my Cheetah Paws poster. That's me on May 2017. I'm a calendar boy. This is the gaming room. Dash is here, playing a really furry game at the moment.
I'm gonna be the doggo.
This right here is a cool poster of the Enterprise. I don't like Star Trek, but Tiger Boy does. We got a fully equipped VR room. Kylie right now is trapped in the realm. Well, that's my house. I hope you enjoyed my little tour, exploring all 5 rooms. Get out. Out. Bye. Miss Vanjie.